dudes, and welcome to another Boxycharm unboxing. So this one, I believe, is the August base box. Not 100%. We're in that iffy territory of the boxes where I'm like, I'm not 100% if this is the month that this came from, but it doesn't really matter ultimately, now does it? So, we're just gonna dive right in. First thing we've got from Clara's, New York, we have the Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid 100 Facial Serum. So this retails for $25 a bottle, and it's a 90% blend of hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, which nourishes and moisturizes quenched skin. Naturally fortified with retinol and omegas, hyaluronic acid provides anti-aging effects by promoting cell renewal, lightening sunspots and acne scars, and reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Vitamin E hydrates while providing anti-aging benefits such as improved cellular strength and elasticity. Use daily for a brighter complexion. Which, frankly, it sounds really good. So, next up, and this one, had I been on top of my unboxings, I would have this in my current rotation instead of a toner that I did just open. So this is gonna have to wait a little bit till I use one up. But this is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Wild Oat Hydrating Toner. Now, this bottle retails for $22 a bottle, and it's an alcohol-free oatmeal powered toner that hydrates, relieves, and soothes skin while supporting overall skin health for a balanced complexion. Use after cleansing to hydrate and balance your skin. Oat milk, colloidal oatmeal, and wild oats are combined with honey and hyaluronic acid to help soothe, relieve redness, and hydrate. Excuse me. Skin is left plump and prepped to absorb oils, serums, or moisturizers. So I actually just opened my Burt's Bees for sensitive skin aloe toner. So I don't really need two for like sensitive skin ones open at the same time, I don't think. Especially because I don't use the Burt's Bees one every day. I kind of use that on certain days when it seems like my skin could use something a little gentler, but it's not the everyday one. My e.l.f. one is my everyday one. Sometimes I'll throw in that Hydra Fresh Rose Water Toner, and then the days that I need a little extra something, I go for the Burt's Bees one. So, depending on what runs out first, probably the Hydra Fresh, I'll probably swap this in its place. So, anyways, next up, from Laura Geller, and I think this is, this is not the most expensive item, it's the second most expensive. Laura Geller, the Casual Collection Multi-Finish Eyeshadow Palette. This retails for $45, and the box art already is, like, really cute. So, 12 Shades, Endless Ways. This pressed eyeshadow palette features velvety matte and shimmering suede finishes to create perfect looks for day and night. The silky texture blends effortlessly on the lids and delivers comfortable crease-proof color that stays put. Want a smoky eye? Done. How about a soft natural effect? Done. Achieve a different easy look for everyday mood and occasion. So our color names are breezy, calm, smooth, informal, natural, relaxed, effortless, nonchalant, peaceful, simple, easy, and serene. I love that. Okay, let's see, like, just those names alone sound great. So the box itself is very plain. It does have the names on the back here. And in here, I'm sure we've got a mirror. We do. Okay. These are, like, very, very neutrals, but that's okay. Sometimes neutrals are good to have on hand. It's not normally the look I go for, but every once in a while I'll pull out a neutral look. But these are pretty colors. Like, I especially like that middle row the best, which I think we knew I would. But these are pretty colors. I do like them. So, okay. Let's put that little sheet back in place to protect the powders. Okay. So that's a goodie. And then, from a brand I've never heard of before, Rockin's Cosmetics All Night Bender Mascara. Which, can we appreciate the packaging? That is so cool. I love that. Oh, that's so cute. So this is $29. Bend and extend with Rockin's All Night Bender Extreme Lash Mascara. Rockin's bent wand and fine tip has been designed to reach and grab each tiny individual lash and shape to sculpt, separate, and extend the outside lashes. The smooth gliding formula allows you to build and load lashes to achieve an extreme look that will last all night. Vegan and cruelty-free. Cool. And finally, the last item in here, and this is the most expensive one, is the Lava Beauty Flirty Lash Set. This is $54, but those are pretty nice, actually. So, okay. The Flirty Lash Set includes a best-selling 3D mink flirty lash, clear and latex-free brush-on eyelash adhesive, and gold applicator. So, they really gave you everything you freaking need here. I have no excuses. They claim up to 30 uses per pair. Which, if that's true, that's pretty darn good, I have to admit. Like, depending how well you take care of them, no doubt, but that's pretty nice. Although, knowing how much they cost, I'm like, oh, no pressure or anything. No freaking pressure to not mess up. But those are so pretty. One of these days, I will learn how to apply them correctly, and it will be wonderful. So, anyways, that's what I got in my August Boxycharm base box. So, hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below, make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more, it's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.